NATO, or the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, is a powerful alliance of 32 member states, primarily from Europe and North America. Established in 1949, it was born from the ashes of World War II, aiming to ensure collective security. Imagine this: if one member is attacked, the others rally to defend it. This principle was crucial during the Cold War, countering the Soviet threat. Today, NATO's reach extends beyond Europe, with operations in the Balkans, the Middle East, and Africa. Headquartered in Brussels, NATO boasts a combined military force of around 3.5 million personnel, covering over 25 million square kilometers and a population of nearly 1 billion. With military spending making up 55% of the global total, NATO members are committed to maintaining defense budgets of at least 2% of their GDP by 2024. As NATO continues to expand, with Sweden joining recently, it faces challenges, particularly from Russia. Yet, it remains a cornerstone of international stability, embodying the motto, "A mind unfettered in deliberation."